Sa game video, fi'n Garwin ac Pan Antonio ac hefyd chwarae ar VR PlayStation.
Fi'n a do good VR. Fi'n a dude sy'n edrych ar stuff. They're like gonna need Shark Simulator apparently. I'm on a crab.
Really?
My hand on like, sorry. So they just like min low. Whoa, rock. Interesting.
Back when I shark.
Oh my god, man. So is that a whoa?
Anyway.
Hi fish.
Oh yeah.
Mine like really weirdly explain of it.
I didn't tell him no real.
Unlike Pam to actually like control our thing. Man, hilarious.
I didn't tell him no real,
Yeah, Darko's team out control. Vinedri's like so stupid, probably.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Fish got a shark.
Yeah, might need me to go short now.
Yeah.
Well, apparently. Yeah. Vidala headset agos, mae'n just sut fi reacto.
We're lawr diba now.
Sorry. Fi just edrych am o ti. Mae'n hilarious.
Be sy'n told ti? Oh, dach chi weld.
Rocks. Oh, nice. There. We're gonna get just a thing really quick. My shark probably love on her.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right,
I actually realised on my actual VR headset and like Forza like. Like my VR torch and my VR like headset and Forza.
With one eye.
What the heck? Oh no, you mean like right now?
Probably gweld fel sunken
Oh,
ship neu
whoa.
rhywbeth. Whoa.
Oh wow.
Jump scare.
Oh wow.
Mae golau ti wedi mynd.
Yeah, we go on. I'm on a jellyfish.
Yeah.
Oh no. Ti'n edrych arno fi fel idiot, ond mae'n actually really like...
Cool.
Like, mae'n teimlo so realistic.
Mae o'n...
Oh, like, literally. Fi wedi chwarae un o blaen am efo roller coaster simulator. On like shark simulator. Oh no.
Loads of jellyfish.
Fi'n like... Mae'n weird acos like... Mae llaw, sorry. Mae llaw yn fanna am on a game mae ddim.
Yeah, mae'n just yn...
So like
Platform.
mae teimlo fel tîm dim anno unrhyw beth.
No.
Mae teimlo fel mae...
Ble mae tried ti? Ar y game.
No.
Dwi'n gadw'n tried. Ti'n footless.
Oh, what the heck?
I'm in a
Mae'n just all
dywyll.
dark. Oh no. Meddwl mae'n mynd i digwydd. Oh, what?
Oh, the golf fan.
Yay!
Dwi eisiau nawr.
Hang on. Oh. Yeah. What? So mae hyn fel ail ran basically with hwnna'n demo. Mae hyn actually like a full version though. A mae'n gael shark. A fi'n angen controller, so yeah. Mae rhywun yn gael control of that. Oh, wait, what? Oh yeah, okay. Diolch. Yeah, so ni gael yr un peth, ond apparently mae shark...
Shark.
Mae shark yn dod.
Okay, Rookie, this is a recon dive. I've got intel from my guy Connor that there was a lot of offshore salvage recorded in this
My hand in new.
Lots of surface debris. This dive should be more than worth
I
the
don't know
effort.
person there.
I'm sensing it could be something big.
Salve 32.
No one's been exactly authorized to run salvage operations.
Someone I felt
in
like
these waters,
speaker
so we
thing.
gotta act fast.
What I felt like video camera actually.
Probably.
A wedyn ma' 'na boat with ni dod o, ma' 'na...
Really,
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
sending you down with the recovery drones.
Cool.
They'll grab anything that isn't
Fit
nailed
my
down.
enw fi'n Ricky
I
apparently.
just need you eyes on to assess if there's anything of value once we hit bottom.
So beth mae button thing hwnna?
I'm sure.
I've got like random screen. Oh, I've meddwl mae like electric. Acting like wires.
It's
Something like
unknown waters down there, but we'll be
waterproof.
with you every step of the way.
You will be with me every step of the way.
Hey JJ, can I get a systems check?
Roger that. All systems A-OK, Cal. Establishing link to Salver suit in 3, 2, 1. Showtime. Scopes are live
My
and on
hand in
screen.
literally came already realistic though.
Yeah. Bob. Oh, we wanna.
Box.
Without quit.
Turtle. Mine like turtle is fun.
Looks like we're good to go. JJ, lower away.
Whoa.
We'll probably no Valkyrie, so I'm doing it.
Stay sharp. We may be able to ID what's going on from drone footage. They'll relay anything interesting to your comms unit.
What the heck?
Next floor, basement level.
So my like actual headset and the like light. Cool.
Okay, we're reading a lot of movement on the scope.
It's called.
You're in for a good show.
Never have you mean like Larry left.
Too
I
bit.
just like blue stuff, my one like area.
The scopes are lighting up. Something big definitely went down here.
Crab.
Looking at the charts, it's gonna be a tight descent.
Indeed in
But
the
hey,
south.
you got JJ on the winch and he's the best in the business. You got company coming your way. We're getting multiple pings on the scopes.
Oh yeah. Company. Fi wedi realise rhywbeth, fi gael control mewn hand fi, dim even angen enw. Oh well,
Oh, wow.
I'm just fun.
How about the Toronto? Go away.
So ni just mynd mewn black hole?
Lots more
That's what
debris.
Oh wow, mae like random bucket
Definitely
yna.
went down
Okay.
here. And it looks recent
I
too.
know,
Oh, yeah.
I left.
Connor, where the hell have you sent me this time?
Oh good, okay.
Whoa, the seismometer
Mae
just
like
lit up
blue
for a
thing
moment,
lawr
Cal.
fanna.
Something
Meddwl mae
moving
yna
around
fe.
down there.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Like right fanna. Like little blue dot. Bit of smoke.
Find this on the paper.
I just got things new, man. Like red,
Bubble.
red. No, like red things.
Oh,
Maybe
right.
like
Mount of
Mount of
Mars.
Mars. Weird.
Okay, rookie, you may have to breathe in. It's gonna be a tight fit.
Little jelly.
Oh, I'm gonna
Keep your eyes
jellyfish
open,
actually.
Watch the cables and don't swing the cage around.
Good.
You got that? JJ, steady on that winch. This is seriously risky, but it's the quickest way down.
Okay.
This made me on the way.
Okay. Wow, but it's dark. Like right on fanna. You like right under.
Can you hear me okay? We're gonna slow
Jellyfish.
down.
Oh, my thing in Comas.
JJ, let's go easy on that
Hmm?
My thing in cut off in the game. Like, my 40 will live. Oh, wow. Let my light turn on door though.
A jellyfish probably.
Oh yeah. My unique light source feed. No!
Oh,
Oh yeah.
there's a load in it.
Zap. Mae hyn yn really cool. Achos fi'n obviously ddim mynd i gwneud hyn mewn real life, so we just experience all that trwy game.
Virtual reality.
Mae'n actually teimlo fel fi fan'na. Mae'n kind of funny.
Mae'n bod yn y VR.
Even though fi mewn room siarad i ti.
Yeah,
Mae'n cool.
very cool.
Imagine on hwnna, soundproof headphones, dim gallu clywed unrhyw beth, just mewn VR.
Mae'n da.
Yeah.
Okay, comms link reestablished.
Oh,
We'd
whoa,
love
my
you
black
working
hole
down
like a
there,
white
Rookie.
one.
Good to have you
Mae'n a
back
crab.
Ble?
Mae'n also
Sure,
crab.
we're nearly through
Mae'n a
now.
lava.
Mae'n
Neu rhywbeth.
lava.
We'll be clear of the cave.
Sut i lava
I
hynny
don't
dan
know,
dŵr?
fi ddim gwybod.
JJ,
Mae'n...
can you get the cage lights back?
Whoa,
Dwi'n meddwl Minecraft a cweb
That's
sy'n
better.
whoa.
What the? Where in the hell did that come from?
Sunken shit.
It's not on any chart
Yeah.
I've seen. No wonder
Don't
Connor
lift
was
him
so
up
damn
yet, no.
cagey. JJ, any ideas on the origin of that vessel?
None, boss. There's no
Mae'n dim yn
signature
shit,
code from
mae'n
her,
connect.
and no
Actually,
report
mae'n
of
edrych
anything
fel...
large going down in this sector.
No, mae'n cael wings.
Guess we
Yeah,
better
but
take a
probably
damn
Kevin
good look
would
at her
say.
then. Well, she's definitely
Maybe.
military.
Oh yeah, mae'n edrych.
This is recent. In which case it won't be long
The
until we've got company.
Titanic has been found. No, I'm joking.
Beth yw hwnna?
Whoa, Geiger counter just lit up, Cal.
Okay, kill the damn klaxon. Rookie, this is really hot. We haven't got a lot of time, but your suit will keep you safe for a while.
Imagine o'n mynd under a dŵr. Wow.
So we finally hit the jackpot, and she's a damn
Dwi'n
nuclear sub with no known origin.
Source.
Great.
So roedd hyn yn like a thing nhw, like, i
Looks like Connor's got us doing
So
some dirty
nhw
work.
wedi ffeindio hyn,
Okay,
apparently.
Rookie,
Yeah,
let's hustle and get as
we've
much
got
intel
her.
as we can on this wreck.
Mae
I'm
wedi
not walking
realise
away
o'n
with
wedi
nothing.
rhywbeth.
Yeah.
How are we doing on max
See, mae'n
downtime?
actual lava even though mae ddim.
Downtime's good, Cal.
Edrych mae'r adol?
Radiation could be more of a
Mae
problem.
probably yn.
Shit, the seismometer
Oh, wow.
just lit up again.
Ie, mae
Okay, keep an
edrych
eye
mae'r
out for
adol.
falling debris. We don't have a lot of time. Keep your eyes peeled for anything of interest. The drones will take care of the rest.
I'm getting a strong heat signature off something
Bro,
down
so
there.
what the
Could be the radiation source.
heck? Hell. Mae fel like rocks just fall.
Mae'n
Mae
rhywbeth
eisiau cwympo o'r awr. Troi fi dod o fan'na. Ac mae hwnna rock, so wedyn nhw... So fi'n like right underneath nhw.
Mae daw gwaelod.
Yeah. Like mae'n proper dark. Mae hwnna'n like...
Whoa, that crate's red hot.
Mae'n hyn red.
Whatever the hell's in that container? Jesus,
See, mae'n eitha lava.
that's what Connor
Actually,
wanted.
sorry, mae'n make a thing hwnna like hot.
Easy does it.
So fi'n meddwl mae
Careful
hwnna
with that
like
cargo.
heat up
Let's not set
lan like
anything off
ar y
down there.
gwaelod.
We need whatever it is in one piece. Let's get it topside and see what we have. I got a feeling we're not the only ones after that crate.
Mae hwnna'n...
Hold on.
Fi'n meddwl mae hwnna'n
We're picking up something
oxygen
large
tank.
moving towards
Ie.
you.
No.
Ac mae gael like a little like thing fan'na. A wedyn mae bucket fan'na for no reason. Mae hwnna'n... Beth sy'n
Mae'n
fwy fi
annibyl.
lawr. Oh, wow, okay. Mae shark.
Siac.
Hiya!
Ond pob beth sy'n mewn y...
Oh, no. Whoa.
Ond beth sy'n mewn y ship, probably.
Beth?
Probably mewn y ship. Fanna mae yn.
Oh, wow.
Ond fanna.
Imagine os mae just attack o fi, no?
Ie.
Oh, mae yn.
Hang. Dim hwnna. Dim mas o rwng yn beth.
Mae just destroy our oxygen tank. A mae nhw dim even like contact o fi, mae nhw apparently just disappear. Mae nhw ddim care. Mae my best friend. Don't care. Oh wait. Yeah!
Probably mynd i cael ei attack now.
Bye. Oh. Who am I a shark?
Oh damn.
JJ, what the hell's wrong with that winch?
Impacts and falling rocks, Cal, screwing with the winch line.
Oh,
JJ, for
whoa.
Christ's sake, we've got to pull them up.
Oh, wow. Don't
Mynd i-
hit me.
Yeah. Probably mynd i bwyd i now.
Oh, my dog.
Mae'n mynd i attack at
Over
fed.
there, damn it!
Imagine if I just whack of them on her head.
Yeah, I'm probably mynd i wneud.
That'd be funny. I just like circle arcade, you know.
Oh shot.
Oh, nice. If you love upon my character, we used him. Oh, wow.
just
If
gonna
you love
do
us on my
beat.
character, we used him doing with. Oh, man. Oh, man. Imagine. Oh,
Oh no.
yo.
Damn it! What's going on down there?
What's going on down there? Nothing, I'm fine. So we just like Mario, I think. It's like
Probably.
meant to be like an experience.
Muro dan Tina.
Bro, my like opening right for then just killed me.
Imagine I'm about pimping and just load.
Imagine on my rock just walk away. Oh, whoa. Wow, I called it. No, he didn't die again, I meant.
It's so stupid.
Fi ddim deall sut fi dal breatho though. Ac fi ddim gael oxygen tank.
Probably that really bad.
Probably got like sit down all the way.
Yeah.
He's still coming for me. Apparently my shot's half his blood.
Yeah.
So done a bomb.
Alright, this week I have blue
I thought it-
rock.
Whoa!
It's not funny.
Alright,
Full of
I made it
container
no,
full of trouble. Just another day in the office, eh? How about that for your inaugural flight?
Not cool.
I don't think I can call you rookie anymore.
Damn straight. Whew, hell of a first dive, kid. Cal, radar just picked up something inbound on our heading.
Oh, now we know, yeah, of course.
And I have a feeling we have what they're
Even
looking
fix.
for.
Fi lefo sut roedd nhw dod lawr gyda fi, a wedyn just leave o fi, a wedyn
Just
just dod
ditch
nôl
o.
ar ôl y shark attack. Fi'n meddwl myna fe.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Challenges. Replay, select.
Diolch am gwylio
Yeah, myna fe, okay. Quit to me, man.
ac yn game my video, subscribe o ac like our video a rhoi lawr
A
comments.
comment, dweud
game
os
I.
roedd ti'n hoffi fi hyn. I found a nice experience.
Yeah.
Rwyt ti ddim even, like, mewn e, ond, like...
Imagine, dechrau ar y screen.
Yeah, ti'n gael gweld ar screen beth ti'n guys yn gweld, ond diolch yn gwylio.
Gwelch i'n the...
Gael
The
un man
bod,
tri, like... Gael ti, our next video.